Is this the best budget keyboard on Amazon? I am new to mechanical keyboards, but man, I cannot find another keyboard that I would rather have. I just got some drop mt3 profile keycaps, and I must say it is really dressing up my budget Amazon keyboard. Granted, this board is aluminum, hot swappable, RGB, but I modify everything I own just to make mine look and sound a little different. But if you don't want to mess with your keyboard, I do recommend the pre-built version, and I really do think it is the creamiest sounding stock keyboard off Amazon. This is the epomaker High 75, and I have the pre-built and bare bones linked in my bio.